Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're diving into how to change your UPI ID PIN in Google Pay 2025. If you're using Google Pay for your everyday transactions, keeping your UPI PIN secure is crucial, especially with the updates in 2025 that emphasize better security features. This quick guide will walk you through the process step by step, so you can do it in under a minute. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Google Pay app installed on your smartphone. It's always a good idea to update for the smoothest experience. Okay, let's get started. Step 1. Open the Google Pay app on your device and log in with your credentials. If you're not logged in, enter your UPI PIN or biometric details to access your account. Step 2. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon, usually located in the top right or bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Scroll down and look for the Payments or UPI Settings section. In the 2025 update, Google Pay has made this more prominent for easier access. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Find the option that says Manage UPI PIN or Change PIN. It might be under a sub-menu like Bank Accounts or Security. Step 5. Select your linked bank account if you have multiple, then choose Change PIN. You'll be prompted to enter your current UPI PIN for verification. Don't worry, this is for your security. Step 6. After verifying, enter your new 4 to 6-digit PIN twice to confirm. Make sure it's something memorable but not easily guessable, like combining numbers from important dates. Step 7. Hit Submit or Confirm, and you'll get a success message. Your new PIN is now active. Remember, if you encounter any issues, like an error message, double-check your internet connection or contact your bank's customer support. And that's it. You've successfully updated your UPI PIN in Google Pay for 2025. This simple change can protect your finances from potential risks. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.